Anna, welcome to today's lesson. And in our today's lesson, we are going to step 2. Yesterday we started with average, which is a arithmetic mean, and today we are doing mod. Average, we said you get the number of, you add, get the sum of the total items, then you divide by how many they are. Now in our mod, this just means the most common. Most common. Talk about most common or most popular. So those words can refer to mod. So in mathematics, when you talk about mod, you talk about the one that appears most. The one that appears many times. Appears most. Or many times. For us to be able to understand this, learner, I give you a question that exactly comes in an exam where a table is drawn like that. When you are told this is the shoe number, then number of pupils. That in a school, a person decided to give the learners some shoes. So they went and did a survey to know, maybe in class 2, how many in class 7, how many numbers were shoe number 4, and they found that the ones that were shoe number 4, there are only 10 pupils. Shoe number 5 is worn by 12 pupils. Shoe number 6 is worn by 18 pupils, and shoe number 7 in that class is worn only by 2 pupils. So the question is, which is the model class, model shoe number? If learner, you ask this question, the model shoe number, from the word model, the one that appears most. Now in this case, it will be the one that is worn by many people. If you get that question right, then you come here and say, many times learners have missed this question by saying that they confuse the shoe number and the number of pupils. They end up writing shoe number 7 being the model class, which is wrong. In this case, learner, if you are given this question, then you ask which was the model shoe number, the one that was worn by many people. You come at the place where we have number of pupils wearing that shoe. Then you realize that shoe number 4 is worn by 10 pupils. That is not that popular. Shoe number 5 is worn by 12. Shoe number 6 is worn by 18. So this seems to be the model shoe number that is worn by many. So in this case, we say shoe number 6. And then you can go ahead and ask you, how many pupils wore that shoe number? You'll realize that they are 18. Some people will say they are 6. So they confuse between the number of pupils and the shoe number. Shoe number is, like for example, Mwalimu wears shoe number maybe 8, I'm guessing, and I wear number 7. Someone else will wear number 6. So that is the shoe number. But the number of pupils wearing that shoe, that becomes the wearers of those shoes. Of course, the exact English saying that the wearer of the shoe knows the better where it reaches. So 18 pupils wear shoe number 6. So that's how we get the model class. We can get model of so many things. There are so many things we can get the model class. You can get model class of marks, colors, even games. There are those, maybe 18 of them. Maybe to give you another one. And in this case, I'll draw another table here to show you what model is. So we have the type of game, number of pupils who play that particular game. So in a school, you realize that there are different types of games. So like football, find that 38 pupils in class 7 like football and they play it. Then hockey, of course, very soon we shall introduce hockey in our school. If you like it now, you do. So 17 pupils are playing hockey. Then we have volleyball, which many of you like it but you don't know how to play it. Volleyball, we have 12 pupils playing football in class 7. Then lastly, we have what we call the lawn tennis. Lawn tennis, where you're using that connect thing. So only 6 are playing lawn tennis. So number 1, A, which game is popular? It's most popular. Most popular. My name is English is, I think it's correct. Most popular. So our most popular game, the one that played by Benny. So you just come here. Football played by 38, hockey by 17. So volleyball 12, and then lawn tennis 6. So our model class seem to be the ones that play football. So you say the most popular game is football. And that becomes our model game. The game that is played by many is football. So we can have colors, that those who like red, blue, yellow, and so forth and so on. So this one comes in a number of times in different categories, and you can be given that. So you want to now do one question from the book and really understand how the questions are still set, whether you can be able to get them. For a RAM project, the amounts given were as follows. A question for Arambe project. Yes, I've just remembered something. I've met some of your compositions and learners write football balls. None of this is wrong. You just write footballs. This represents the part the game is played using, and then these are what is played. So footballs. So don't say football balls. Here you repeat yourself a number of times. So I've just remembered that and found it nice to just remind you. So I learned it when I'm dealing with an English lesson. So for Rambi project, the amounts given, there was an Arambe, the amounts given was as follows. People contributed. Sometimes you are given a card. One is given a card of 500, another one for 50, and sometimes this year you are given a card that go and contribute for somebody who was sick. So there was a card of 500 shillings, another card of 450 shillings, another featured 250, another one 350, another one 300 shillings, another one 450. So these are the people who are contributing. That's how they returned their cards. Another one 250, another one 450, another card showed 300 shillings, another one, and another one 450 shillings. Then the question is, what was the mod? What was the mod? What was the mod? Now for us to be able to get this learner, it's very simple. Very, very simple. Identify the monies in this case, the types of monies and how many they appear. 500 let's see 500 appears how many times? So 500 once, see one time. Then 450 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then after 450 we have 350. 350 we have 1 only. Then from there we have 250. So 300, sorry. 300 appears 1 time, 2 times. Then from there we have 250. I think that was the last amount. 251, 2 times. Lana, as I was doing that, Lana, you have seen me doing this. That means you have already counted that. If you don't do that, you'll end up repeating yourself. So you make a mark here so that at the end of the day, you see, all this money is marked. Yes, this is marked, meaning that you have already counted them. Lana, you don't just look at them and write. You'll make a mistake. So you make sure that you do a line here, just to ensure that you have seen them, that they are marked, meaning that you have counted them. Then from there, it's very simple. For us to be able to get a model class, we look at the one that was given by many people. So many people contributed 450. So 4 people contributed 450. 500 only 1 person. I think that was a guest of honor. 500. And then 350 also 1 person. Then the 300 2 people. And then 250 2 persons. So that's how he contributed. And then now you look at the model class. Many people contributed 450. So that's how we get it right. So the way to get a mod is very simple. The number that appears most, the one that is popular, the one that is common. As simple as that. So I want to leave you with work. But before I leave you with work, I'll do one oral question where they include number 3. Find the mean, number 1 mean, and number 2 mod for each of the following. So Lana, if they say find the mean and mod in one sentence, this was exactly what you're supposed to do. That thing is put in one sentence. So let me show you what exactly you are supposed to be doing. So number 1, find the Roman 1 mean, and Roman 2 and there's an and there, and Roman 2 the mod of for each of the following. Find the mean and mod for each of the following. So we have A, they have given you 9, 10, 11, 14, 12, 17, 11, 15, 10, 13, and then 10. I'm only doing that A alone because it has A, B, C. I'm going to do A to show you what it means when you find 2 questions answered in one particular question. So number 1, there are 2 tasks that you are supposed to perform with this particular A. So A, you're going to find mean first. So you write A, Roman 1 mean. So this is you are going to answer 2 questions in this particular question. So the mean will be, you add all these, then divide by how many they are. So let's continue adding here. 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus this is 30. 30 plus this is 44. 44 plus this one is 56. 56 plus this one is 73. 73 plus this is 84. 84 plus this is 99. 99 this is 109. 109 is 122. 122, 132. So the mean will be 132 divided by, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 over 11. So your mean will be 11 times 12 times, I think. get 100, that's 2. 2, 1, 1. Yes. So our mean will be 12. So you have done that, learner. You are not through with that question, learner. You got 2 because they told you calculate for each of the questions, calculate mean and mod. So you come to the mod now, so that you can be through with Roman A. I mean question number A. What is the mod? The one that appears most. Now you just see it here. 11 appears 1, 2 times. 10, 1, 2, 3. So the mod is 10. As simple as that, the one that appears most. You pick the number that appears most, so the mod is 10. So for each of those questions, when you come to B, you also do mean and mod, C, mean and mod. So when 2 questions are asked in one particular question, you do all of them at the same number. So I want you to move with speed and calculate exercise 124. Exercise 124, course from primary maths. That is running from page 213 to page. There's a lot of work that I want to give you so that we can be able to practice. 215. I want you, learner, to do these questions well. Don't just pick question and go skipping others. I will see them later because I will have those books later when you open schools, and I will run from where I started, going one question after the other. I don't want to find anybody missing questions. If it's 1 to 10, let me find 1 to 10 questions. If it's 1A, 1 as 1A up to F, 1A to F, I want to see all of them, not one. You have done A, then C, and then F. Only 3 questions. So that is not encouraging. So I want you to do all of them. Do all of them because there's a reason why I'm giving you that. So that during the exam you just smile when you see them. You smile and say, this one we were taught and I know how to do it. So do from number 1 to number 10. Most of them have A, B, C. So I want to see those. Number 10, A, calculated, B, you have calculated. And that's the way to go. Then from there, tomorrow we will be dealing with tables. Learn to prepare yourself with a graph book. Find one. I know we bought some. So find one. Because after tomorrow, we shall be able to translate those tables and place them in a graph. So I want you to prepare yourself so that on Wednesday we shall be drawing graphs. So tomorrow we'll deal with tables, how to interpret tables and the information found in them. Then we'll be good to go. And then we can say, let the exam now come and we shall see what we shall score. So until next time, learner, I want to wish you well. I want to wish you stay safe at home. Ensure that you sanitize. Wash your hands every time. Even if there's nothing to eat. Even if you are not eating, you wash your hands every now and then so that at least we keep this pandemic away from us. Until next time, learner, I want to wish you well. God bless you.